Hi guys, it's Roblox Adventures, and today I am doing a try not to laugh video, and this is a cat cat sets from September 2015. Let's go.
Hi there, everybody.
That's so cute. It's a cat. It's a cat wearing a Superman suit. What the hell? The cat bit him. That's funny. Oh my god, I had to try this before and it was really funny. I couldn't stop laughing on 2 bits. Warning, there might be a few, I don't know, swearing in this, but not from me.
No.
Straight face.
No.
Cat want string. I want string. Peekaboo. I see you. Speaking of I see you, near the end of this, this, grab the wall and we're like trying to make your ass fall off. Sorry about that, but near the end, somewhere like over here, will be a funny thing, and my apologies if you are from like India. You might recognize that word. It'll be somewhere like in the middle as well, but that's really cute. Oh my gosh, it's the world's first breakdancing cat! Oh, this is it. Bugger. I said fudger.
You have very big freaking legs, man.
That's just mean. A pizza shop in a cat video.
Why you such a bitch?
Angry cat.
Cat's scared of happy.
Well, this is the part where I laughed.
Let's find out.
Oh my god. My apologies if the camera's all wonky, but let's go back to where, oh god. Sorry about that. Let's just go back. Oh, look, we'll go from here.
Cat's
Scared of hacky sack? Let's find out. It's the way the cat jumped from the hacky sack. How stupid. Oh my god. Anyway, let's carry on. That's just really cute. I've seen this on YouTube. This oh god. Oh my god. But anyway, the one before this was like a 2-year-old boy just talking to his mum on his bike, and the stray dog came up right behind him and pulled him. And then his cat, I think his 5-year-old cat came, I have no clue how old the cat was, but the cat came to like literally jump at the dog and chase after it. The cat came back with a few bite wounds, but let's just carry on. And the reason why I laughed, just look. No. Look, big fat butt. Wiggle, 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 do, 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 do. Straight face now. Down the cat goes. Cat fight! Aww, cheating, cuddling with your cat. What? Ah! Ready? A hump, a hump, a hump, a hump.
That's it.
Oh, that's cute.
Face five. Bang.
That's cute.
Down the slide hard, and go. Give a braces for it, John. Save! Oh!
This is really weird. Lisa.
Oh, Kitty, I love you so much. Beautiful cat, you're so perfect. Don't be mean to her.
It's like in a mirror. Just hang on. DJ Cat. Oh, this one's funny. Oh, get him. Savage, mate. Mama, what's down there? Come with me? No, you're grounded. Silly string.
I know what you're thinking.
Oh, Zach King.
Okay, there is a cat in hat.
Oh. That was so hard to keep in. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You guys take that back. Okay, we'll go from here. Oh, look, I'm gonna do the funky, but wee, flying cat.
Slick, huh? Get your ass off my damn milk!
How to twerk. Bumhole. Donald Trump.
Oh, hey there, little girl. Wanna go for a swim?
Now this is animal abuse. Throwing your cat into a pool.
But first, let me take a selfie.
Okay.
Cause I'm a stupid fucking cat and I don't
No poop.
I think I'll run around for no good reason.
Look.
Smack him.
Beep. Oh, this next part is really funny.
Your voice messing. You still ain't call me back? That's okay, cause I followed you home. Nigga, I see you.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm taking that back.
200 damn voice messages.
Don't call me back. I see you. Oh my god, guys. Sorry, that has come to the end of the video. My first ever video. The whole thing was 6 minutes and 4 seconds long, and this video is taking longer than that. But anyway, guys, subscribe, like. If you want me to do more try not to laugh videos like this one, comment down, and if you want, I can do some different things as well, like do a house tour, siblings, whatever, family, whatever. See you guys. Toodles.